Yo, what up, guys? All right, so now I got some crazy news, right? So I'm in the second story of my new house that God provided for. Now, I do want to give him a little shout out, bro, because I ain't gonna lie, man. 104 days ago, before I gave my life to him, I was dead broke. I had no money. I blew all my savings. I blew everything, guys. I blew it all. I didn't want to live anymore. My wifey didn't want to be with me anymore. She was gonna leave me. I was so bound to addiction and drugs that literally, bro, I didn't want to live anymore, man. I was like, man, I'm done, bro. I've been living like this for 4 years. I've destroyed my life. I've destroyed the lives of everybody that's come in contact with me. I just don't want to live like this anymore, man. And, I gave my life to Jesus. He came to me and he told me to walk with him. And I said yes. And it's 104 days. I'm sober. 104 days. I'm clean. 104 days walking in pure righteousness, man. I never promoted a scam ever again. I never did anything for quick money. I never did none of that garbage. None of that garbage. My trading only got better. I studied neuropsychology, neuroscience. My trading has developed to a level. My speech has everything about me is so much better, right? So I just want to give a big shout out to God because again, I'm recording this in my new office, in my new crib, right? I didn't even have a house when I was rich, you know what I'm saying? And I got one now. What? Come on, bro. God did, you feel me? Like, bro, come on, let's be real, bro. Me, dude, I look good, man. I feel good. I talk good. I'm all good, bro. And that's in the name of Jesus. I know some of those words right there bother some people. Jesus. So, all I'm going to say is Jesus is king. And cool thing is, guys, I made my VIP completely for free. So if you made it this far, it is for you, man. We are a faith-based community, guys, man. I'm telling you guys, man, when you put God first, he will put you first in everything that you do in your trading, in your life, man, in your business, bro. I'm living proof of that, man. All I'm saying is, bro, if I can come back wherever you are, bro, even under whatever circumstances it is, I promise you, man, there is a way for you as well. So, guys, I'm going to leave you guys the link down below for sure. But let me tell you guys something straight up, guys. Now, I've been looking at GJ this last few days. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. There are some moments where I'm like, dang, I wish I was trading, but I'm in a moving process. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So, what I looked at this morning is one thing I told my group is I saw some buys over here. It was kind of in this area. But yeah, it was over here. It was around 8 o'clock in the morning. And I said, if we can hold the 203, we'll be solid for buys. And we didn't see much, but we saw about 20 pips holding above 800. So now I am bullish above this level, which is 202,900. I'm bullish above this area, correct? Now I have something here called the point of control with a fixed range volume profile. So I'm going to run it from this bottom to this top. And above this level, we are completely bullish on this yellow line. Underneath it, sellers are in control. So above, buyers are in control, sellers are in control underneath it, right? So I use this in confluence with my accumulation distribution, which lets me see where smart money is in, because a lot of us, literally, we realize that, you don't realize, but I realize it, that, well, actually, yeah. Don't you guys ever realize when you guys are way too early and then the move actually happens after and you're like, dang, right? So the reason for that is because a lot of you guys are chasing candles instead of chasing where smart money has already been placed hours ago. You get what I'm saying? So the accumulation distribution as well as the point of control fixed volume range profile is what I've been using as my confluences, as well as my 50 SMA, my 200 and my 300 for overall direction, guys. So I've been trading like that for the last 2 months, and it is the greatest I've ever done. Even on my live streams, I literally live streamed my third payout with Funded Hero, guys. And it's crazy, bro, because if I can live stream a whole entire 3 weeks of me getting a payout following a trading plan, where you guys at, man? We need to be together, bro. We need to be doing this together. You feel me? So again, guys, the VIP is complete for the free, man. All I'm saying is, guys, if God can work on somebody just like me, bro, dude, all I'm saying is even under your circumstances, he can do a lot for you as well, man. You just got to put him first, bro. And when I tell you, man, I wanted to be the best trader ever, God made a way for it. God made a way for me to be a better trader, all right? So I'm still working with my settings and stuff like that here, guys. I ain't gonna lie, man. My things, my computer settings are all weird for some reason. I'm not sure, but I usually stream and record on that PC, but on this one, it's very different. So I gotta focus on that. So my bad for the microphone if it sounds too low, too high here and there. It is what it is, right? So now I do want to show you guys. Okay, look. So again, now we got this little trend line over here before I look at gold. So I'm bullish above a 930 all the way to 202,800, 100%. So we could get some action right there. And bullish definitely above that area, and I am bearish under 202,900 straight to maybe a 202,200, or maybe like a full-on correction straight to this leg, because there's no wick on this blue candle over here. So I mean, that's at 202,300, but just to be safe, 500 just for that 30-40 pip increment. Definitely recommend it, but you gotta be patient. There is news coming out at 2 in the morning. So now looking at gold, I do see something here on gold. Now, oh my lordy, this is crazy. So now look at this, right? So this is why the point of control is really, really solid, guys. I do want to show you exactly why. So now look. This thing is insane. All right, so notice here, again, this is like a support. This level acts like a support. Buyers are in control above it. Sellers are under control under it. You see this? This was 3 in the morning. This is freaking 3 in the morning, guys. Now, again, we have a support with this level of support, and we are breaking structure. We took out highs. This is why this is very important, because it gives you like a massive confidence boost as well as the SMAs. You get what I'm saying? So all I'm saying is, guys, I got some videos on it. I'm telling you guys, definitely watch them. This thing is insane. So these are like really, really great entry confirmations. Now, if you look at the accumulation distribution, notice how it is super aggressively pointing to the upside, and it is pushing high, right? And as you can see here, this high is taking out these highs above here on the accumulation distribution. Again, I like to use this because I like to see where smart money has been in, usually hours before the candles even form, correct? So as you can see, this thing was just a complete banger. So all I can tell you guys, let's wait. You see, this is a great example as well. Notice how it just broke all these highs, and we are aggressively pushing to the upside on the accumulation distribution down here. Yeah, and the candle still doesn't fully engulf. That's why I'm talking about this is a great thing. Now, as you can also see that the point of control did go to the high upside. That's just because it happens usually on TradingView. I don't know why it's like that, but I promise you, it usually doesn't tweak out like that, right? So you'll see right now. You see how it moved to the downside now. Now it's like kind of breaking resets for the upside. TradingView can be a little bit weird on the replay mode, but give it a shot, guys. There you have it, a full bullish engulfing candle. This is at 9 in the morning, I'm telling you. And boom, there you go, right? So this all confluences point to the upside. So yes, you can trade like this on gold. I know a lot of people are asking me about for gold, and this is, I don't really trade gold, honestly. I did take that one. When I did the FCMO challenge, again, a few weeks ago, which I got 100% win rate, I did take gold trades and I was undefeated on gold, but I just don't feel great trading gold, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's not for me. It moves too quick. I gotta move my lot sizes around, and I don't like to do little changes, bro. Those little changes, believe it or not, man, they definitely mess with your mind as well. Again, guys, I studied neuropsychology and neuroscience, basically all of these things for the last 3 months. I'm still kind of studying here and there. You know what I'm saying? But it has definitely developed my brain into trading into the greatest trader that I could possibly be. I don't feel like I can learn any other thing that will make me a better trader. Other than this point, all I feel like I have to do is just focus more on being disciplined. And to be honest, I think I'll trade like this for the rest of my life. I don't think I'll ever want to change it. Literally, it works for me. It works for my people that I've been trading with. And all I'm saying, guys, is, hey, man, if you guys are looking for a faith-based join, just join, bro. Faith-based community, join us, bro. All I'm saying is, man, we're not all, oh, God, this, God, no. But you know what, man? We are a trading community that we glorify God with our wins, bro. And we win a lot. That's facts. That's facts. You feel me? So you guys can join up, man. I love you guys so much, man. You guys are the best, bro. You guys provided more support than ever, bro, because I'm gonna be real with y'all, man. When y'all believed in me when I didn't even believe in me, you feel me? So I'm just very grateful for you guys, man. Adonai, man. All glory to the one true King, Jesus Christ, whose name is above all names, my brother, Jesus of Nazareth. Thank you so much. Thank you for this house. Thank you for life. Thank you for breathing on everything that was dead. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just very grateful, man. Let's get it, guys. Let's go, man. It's 2025 coming to an end, bro. Look how we started. Look how we ending it. Come on, guys. Yo, join up, bro. It's free, man. Give me a shot, guys. I promise you, man. You guys are going to love it there, bro. Let's go.